me just show you some things you can do in Vernier graphical analysis. So I've already shown you this, right? You're going to take the file. You got to tell it to look for CSV files and choose the file. I think I clicked open. And then there's this pause as it does import it, right? And then boom, there it is, right? You're going to see that, so let's say you do the Ferris wheel or the Rocco plane. If this is your vertical acceleration data, you're probably only going to interpret one of the axes. And so in this case, I don't want the X and the Z values, right? So I'm going to turn those off like that. And then it looks a little prettier, right? Okay. And then you can go in here, you can give this a nice title, like this is my Ferris wheel data. You could zoom in on this if you want to. So, like for example, I could look at 40 seconds through I don't know, how about 100 seconds? Does that look better? Yeah, it looks a little better, right? I don't know. Okay. Another thing that you can do is if you tap the screen like this, at least I'm tapping, you might have to press, I don't know, right? You're going to get these, it's going to tell you what the reading is at that point, and it's also going to tell you what the time is at that point, okay? And we can use this to actually find the period of these things. Hello? Well, let me go there. There, I had to click. I had to do a mega click, right? So you can click on these things and get, this is the time, and this is the reading right there, okay? Um, the final thing that you might want to do, I mean, obviously you can edit and you can change the axes and make it look all pretty. The final thing you want to do, and you click right here, this is the file menu, right, is you're going to export this. And what you want to do is export the graph image. Since you can't screenshot, they've disabled the screenshots. What you're going to do is you're going to save it in Google Drive, right? So choose Google Drive, give it a name like, whoops, Ferris wheel, right? Save that thing. And then when you go to make your slides, you can import that image, okay? I think that's all I need to show you with graphic.